Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Dr. Zahid. Today our topic is classification of fungi. The kingdom of fungi contains 6 major phyla which were established according to their mode of sexual reproduction or use of molecular data. The first one is Catridiommycota, then Zygomycota, third one is Ascomycota, fourth one is Basidiomycota, and fifth one is Glomeromycota, and last one is Tritidomycota. In this lecture we will discuss only Catridiommycota. The fungi of Catridiommycota are also called catroids. Catroids are simplest and most primitive eumycota. These are true fungi. According to evolutionary record, catroids are the first fungi which appeared during late Precambrian period more than 500 million years ago. Like all other fungi, catroids have chitin in their cell walls, but one group of catroids has both cellulose and chitin in the cell wall. Most catroids are unicellular, but few are multicellular organisms, and hyphae have no septa between cells. It means these are cenocytic fungi. The ecological habitat and cell structure of catroids have much in common with protists. Catroids usually live in aquatic environments, although some species live on land. Some species thrive as parasites on plants, insects, or amphibians, while others are saprodes. Some catroids cause diseases in many species of amphibians, resulting in species decline and extinction. An example of a harmful parasitic catroid is Batrachocatrium dendrobatids, which is known to cause skin disease. Another example is Allomyces. It is well characterized as an experimental organism. Its reproductive cycle includes both asexual and sexual phases. Allomyces produces diploid or haploid flagellated zoospores in a sporangium. Now we will discuss life cycle of Catridiommycota. Like other fungi, catroids have both asexual and sexual reproduction phases. In asexual reproduction, sporangium releases diploid zoospores. Then these diploid zoospores germinate and form young sporophyte. This young sporophyte develops into mature sporophyte. In sexual reproduction, when meiosis occurs in mature fungi, then sporangia starts to germinate and it releases haploid zoospores. When these haploid zoospores germinate, then a young gametophyte develops. Once this young gametophyte matures, then it pairs with female gamete. Then fertilization occurs and diploid zygote develops. From this diploid zygote, sporophyte develops, and this cycle is completed. Phylum Catridiommycota has only one class, Catridiomycetes. This class has different orders, but we will discuss here only three orders. First order is Catridiales, second order is Phyllomycetales, and third one is Sancatriales. Order Catriales has one famous genus, Catridium, and order Phyllomycetales contains two famous genus, Rosella and Olypedium. And Sancatrium is a well-known genus of order Sancatriales. That's all. Allah Hafiz.